So this is our first Excel assignment for Chapter 3. We're in Chapter 3, Section 1, and we are doing Excel Assignment 3.1 Conversion. And for this, we're going to convert units of length, mass, volume, and speed using the given ratio tables located on the left side of your screen. In particular, they want us to use mixed and absolute cell references so that our formulas are filled across each row. And then we need to make sure that we have formatted all of our answers to 2 decimal places. So we're going to start on the very first one. And to start, we're going to enter in our equal sign because we're going to build a formula. We're going to take our input for inches, which is 12, and we're going to multiply that by 36 inches, and then we're also going to divide it by 36 inches. And when we do, we of course have 12 inches. That essentially means 12 inches is equal to 12 inches. All right, now we're going to take this opportunity to discuss of the three cells that we have, which ones we want to fix. So starting with J3, as we drag across our table, we want J3 to be fixed, to not move. So we're going to put our dollar signs in front of both the J and the 3. Now, A9 refers to this table, and as we drag across, we will be multiplying this 12 in J3 by a 3, and then a 1, and then a 91.44, and then a 0.9144. So we do want the column to move, but we do not want the row to move, so we're going to go ahead and put a dollar sign there for that. And then for A9, what we want to do, we want to divide each time we multiply this 12 by one of these given conversions. We want to make sure we divide each time by 36. So that's going to be fixed. So we're going to put our dollar sign in front of the A and in front of the 9. And so again, it still says 12, but this is important now so that we can drag across. And when we do, we have we find out that 12 inches is equivalent to 1 feet, and 12 inches is equivalent to a third of a yard, and 30.48 centimeters, and 0.3048 meters. So if you look at them individually, for feet, what we did was we took 12, multiplied it by 3, which is 36, and then divided that by 36. So that's how Excel calculated 1. And then for yards, we multiplied 12 times 1, so that's 12, divided by 36, and so that's going to be a third. And then for centimeters, we said take the 12 and multiply it by 91.44 and divide that by 36. And then for meters, our multiplication factor in that case was 0.9144. So the last thing to do for this row before this row is finished is we need to make sure we format our number. Here we go. Format our number for 2 decimal places. So we've got a number with 2 decimal places, and we just need to make sure we continue that all the way down. All right, that's all the instruction we really need in order to complete this chart. We're going to follow the same format for each cell as we go down, and we're going to make sure to format our numbers when we're done.